practice for a vlogger.
That's a know your platform, but at least give some people a chance to talk.
Me vex, brother.
That's a
screw about it because I'm not stupid.
That's a hear me now.
I'm not stupid,
Commission. Broadcasting Commission has the ability to pull has the ability to pull the plug on any of us.
And social media.
Of course. The government can lock down this. You know so the government can lock down this. Everybody here should know that.
Lock it down.
Only way you don't know that is if you're ignorant to that.
Listen to me.
Them can lock it down.
But the government can't do it.
The government can lock down internet at Jamaica.
Goodbye. The Broadcasting Commission could have locked down this. America locked down this already, Virgin. If America can't lock it down, first world country cannot lock it down. What the fuck will look a Broadcasting Commission in a third world country can lock it down? Listen to what? Listen to the garbage. Broadcasting Commission can lock down what? Lock down what?
You know certain part of America cannot not
listen to me, man. Foolishness. Bye-bye. Foolishness. No, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Broadcasting Commission can lock down his internet. Internet are for them. A Jamaica make. Nobody at Jamaica can run them a Google. Or the Japanese, the Chinese. Fuck you not talk, brother, but Broadcasting Commission. And we are them enemy. We are their competition. We are everybody competition. We are their competition. We are them on a friend. But not making it. You see dirty PMP them and the dirty labor. You see, oh no, we're one-sided. When you think of dunks when I talk to, when they post up, so only thing them can do is report it. And once they report a video, and the video is within the rules of TikTok, and we are content creator and it's original, it cannot be removed. Look how much of them report my program from 3 days ago. I'm gonna easily get them platform deleted because we read through the fine print and know I license this. This license. This way they are so license. You know what they report me? You know what PMP and Labour report me live from what there? When you see it a move, when you see it a shadow ban, nothing gonna can do to my platform. Nothing. Because I'm a content creator. TikTok know that me make them make money. When me post a video that is original and then put it on them platform, it becomes theirs. Them not get rid of content creator, brother. Once our content is original, them nah do nothing to the platform. You see me at a foolish, you come off of my life, brother. You come off and go and dead a bush, virgin. We think we are idiot. When you come and come talk about, here what? We want you to make me. Alright, we could not make it China make millions. Them are the same thing we are do. Them self-employed. Go to them, go make them make millions. We alright with it, with the dollar. Me alright when time I done a live and I see $5,000. Me alright with it. I want $10,000 out of gift or streaming. Me alright with it. Me good with it. Me satisfied with it. Cause me can buy me. Alright, we not greedy. Me don't want to be a millionaire, brother. We don't want to be a millionaire. We just want to know say we not have to go thief or we not have to go rob or we not have no boss over we head that tell us to get back to work. Because we are making more than the fucking minimum wage. We are making more than the minimum wage, but we don't know. We can't be if you see it. So we don't want to come send no hook. We don't want to come send no like we are fish. We not fish. So we don't come send no hook down so we don't worry about it think we gonna bite that. We don't want to make no millions. We are okay with the dollars and cents that we are making. Because me have to talk on behalf of my fellow vloggers. I reverse proposal that, brother. We're going to do agriculture. We're going to fix the pathway with the man John in our day. You know what I have to do? PMP. When you go in the constituency, the man ride a bicycle, drop off on bicycle and John in our patrol. Then they drop off.
Yeah, general. Brother.
When me talk, brother, because 9,000 people up on the For You page, you know. So, when you hold on here, so can get on now, you know. More people up on the For You page over here, so 9,000 people are listening to me. And people are screen record this. Me have to stand up for self-reliance, brother. What Marcus Garvey believe in, it just a come to forth. We can get up and we can make money every day without even going out of your house. Brother, let me tell you how we are. I will not do scamming. Brother, when you see me tap out with this card, when you see me tap out of my house with this card, I go to bomb and one ATM machine and them still a robbery, them still a thief. But we go to bomb and we draw, we go buy our food, and we go buy whatever we want, buy, we come back our yard. We're not here. We can't rest, we can't tap and rest. We're not here. Get back to work. Get back to work. And disrespect what we get in a 95 job, Virgin. How can we ever feel like the government we done alright already, you know? We satisfied. We are satisfied with the look that we earn from social media as we influence our content creator. I'm not the content creator that is pushing out negativity. You see, if this is to me satisfied with all the 51 people on the live and the 9,000 people over on For You page. I'm satisfied with it. Me not gonna do something negative to get more. I'm satisfied. So him can persuade the other vloggers them. Some of them who want to get rich. I don't want to get rich. I don't want to make millions. Me just want to live a one life where I'm comfortable, my family alright, and me can, you know, yeah. Because there's nothing that the government implement in this country is for the better. None of them. No PMP, no JLP. We have vlogger. We have vlogger. We should be neutral. No. That will show you. PNP and JLP, we don't leave us alone, brother. Andrew Holness put up what the air. Say him go put things, a law in place for things where vloggers put out or whatever. That law they not gonna work, can't gonna work, brother. You wanna do sue us for our content. Because the only thing we do are repost or no. Sue us and you cannot sue us. This is not the age of cliff use and blood clot PJ parties. This is not the days of cliff use and PJ parties. It is not. Make Andrew Holness to go sue Andrew Holness say Mark Golden that tell lie on him. Why Andrew Holness don't go and sue Mark Golden? Why Andrew Holness don't go and sue Mark Golden for put out something that is not true then? Leave us alone, brother. We are okay. We don't need no politics. We don't need no help. We don't need no help from no politician. We are good where we are. We don't want to make no more millions. I mean, every artist, that's why I say see all Vice Cartel. You see all you Vice Cartel run gone in the politics like you're idiot. Music is what we use to elevate ourselves. But when we keep a party, we go and we unite. Everybody in our party together. PMP and JLP party divided. We united. Marcus Garvey said united we stand, divided we fall. Or the fuck all Buju Banton and the run guy in a politics. What bigger than fucking politics? I'm going to farm on our own fucking politics. Why on a farm on our own party? Why don't have to take one party? You know, for you to say all the vloggers and all the artists we can farm on one fucking party around this country and run it good. We don't feel to say we can do this. We don't feel to say we can run the country and run it better than them. We are fucking millenniums. Millennium, that means we're born in the days of cassette. We can grow, can use CD player. We grow, can use Walkman. We grow, can use phone. We grow, can use everything. We grow in the technology virgin. So we can't fool we again, my youth. Marcus Garvey said you can't fool some of the people some of the time, or you can't fool all the people all the time, virgin. I either you don't want to take for. We don't know politician. But we can't make millions. How? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? America is a first world country. And I know them can't stop TikTok. I know them can't stop TikTok. And look at Jamaica. Broadcasting Commission gonna tap this. Oh. How are you gonna do it? We're a fucking like a third world country that have bigger problems we don't need to solve. Or you need to behave right because the world is watching you know. At that. You see on the politician come like some woman. Me tell you how some woman stand. Before them change them ways, them change partner. Before they change on ways and say, boy, social media is watching us every move we make we change. We don't want change. We don't want change. We don't want limit our rights what we have. Because we don't want to educate the vast population of what go on. We don't want we do the fuck with them and call the TV station them and tell them to pull that. We don't want we go so bang with the phone. Like when the man talk, say, him promote scam and somebody video with him phone. We don't want can ban that and block that. We don't want can block some information from God. We don't want nothing to leak about the politician. That means we can trick we because we don't have control over we. We don't want to control us, we cannot. Therefore, we are not going to allow it in no way necessary. By no means. And I can tell us that my fellow vlogger them will agree with me. We are okay, we are alright. We are okay with TikTok robbing us. Because you know a fucking thing about this, about Bumbleclaw TikTok. TikTok have an account. And when we make money, and we look at our account, and if a $3 a day, 10 days after, $3 is gonna still be there. But when we have an account in Jamaica, and we have some money on this, it have missed some. So you know what we do? We take all our money and fling it on TikTok and make it candy. And when we're ready, we take them off local. And we have a PayPal account. And we can't, brother, listen, look at the country we have. A PayPal, we have to have some people the money pan. We can't put in our bank. If you see them both money in the PayPal with a blood clot, the same way. PayPal, if I send the money and I want it, I can take it back. So you can't rob me. And this is a generation now we're in and now, PayPal and TikTok. The bank fail we. Bank fail us. The bank fail us. The politician fail us. The employment we don't have, the minimum wage fail us. Social media save us. And then you don't want to come running in I think. For but you know what? Never leave you alone, politician, because it appears that true we are highlight things. I just want you to make that you know. Since me come out and start talk about what the other bloggers them are afraid to talk about. We don't just go sit down and make that and say, alright, the youth here come out, you know, and me have PMP and JLP and it's come like I want to go parliament. I want to see how viral it gets. Because even when TikTok show 36 people watching, there are millions of people actually watching. But when I say, oh, when I go well and look at inquire for what there and say, yo, I go on now. I think black people are that enough and they hear our money. TikTok will never crash. TikTok will never crash. Because see the thing, America always believe that them have world power with Google. And China build this. TikTok will never crash. You will never live to see America win the war. This is the war we are going. Facebook and TikTok, why are they warring? World power. And there's millions of US dollars coming out of America and legitimately going into Jamaican and other people account. We never force or scam them. So we are scam all night time. We not have a scam. We can't just come here so and people just go so and send the US dollar them to we. Legitimately. We never scam nobody. We never go in on the account. Nobody money not missing out on them account. TikTok now scam you. I'm not fool, I'm not stupid. I'm not believe in these politicians. I'm going to put it to you. I'm put it to you now. Put some money in a TikTok. And put some money in a bank. And tell me which one of the account. Because TikTok have their own account. Facebook don't have their own account. None of the other apps don't have their own account. TikTok have their own account. When I make money on TikTok, I send it to my PayPal. And it's in US dollars. And the problem is, when if you move from PayPal to somewhere fucking else, When if you move from PayPal to any one of them Jamaican got a problem. So you know what me do? Me make sure I put my money on PayPal and I send it go give somebody a foreign and then send it come give me. I say by the time my money for reach ya. And I was sending you know. Then give me this card. Them give all most of the vloggers them we were a public figure. Them give me this card from Grace Kennedy. That two of them find out what we are do. Them say alright, them trick with us so. Them say you not have to go to Western Union or being in the public to collect money. Them give me that card and me like idiot go say so and send my money from Western Union to the card. What them do? Them still take my bumbuckler money when me work for. Honestly. Who is in charge of Grace? And look who them put on it. Shelly and Fraser. Grace Kennedy, GK, one card. Thief my money. When I make off a TikTok. Thief me $4,800. And in my sound like one look at the money, but me they want to print up my logo them on my shirt. Me not take on nobody on my life right now. Well I can come off of it because well I an idiot. Well I a fool. Well I believe in a politician and them plan. I want you nothing about them plan. Them plan not work. You know when me vote? When me have a Chinese government pay for his service. It was no pay for no service. It was no pay for no service. The same time me there in the ATM machine for go push in the card. At the same time them draw the money and me call them. I'm